We have here adventure force farm animals. So now this is the iron farm. Here I'm gonna making all those trees in the proper way. So look at here. This is the horse. How horse does? Neigh, neigh. Horse goes here. This is the cow. How cow does? Moo. It goes here near to mommy cow. This is the mommy cow. How mommy cow does? Wow, awesome. Mommy cow goes behind the baby cow. Wow, what we have here? It's a sheep. How sheep does? Baba, it's a white sheep. Wow, look at the white sheep. Baba, white sheep have any wool? Wow, look at the white sheep. Actually, this is the mommy sheep. I have a baby sheep here. Wow, look at the baby sheep. How baby sheep goes near to mommy sheep. Wow, it's awesome, right? Look at the mommy sheep and baby sheep. This is the pig. Pig is the pink. How pig does? Oink oink. Wow, oops. Pig goes here. This is the baby pig. Yes, that's a pig. Give me that one. Give me that one. Actually, what is this? This is the roaster. Roaster. How roaster does? Cock-a-doodle-doo. How roaster does? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Roaster goes behind the chicken. Wow, look at the chicken. How chicken does? Cluck, cluck. Chicken goes behind the roaster. Wow, it's awesome. What is this? Look at the horse. Wow, did you see horse again? How horse does? I am going to keep all those things in his adventure oak horse. Wow, Ayan, you are doing awesome. Explain these things. What is this? Wow, it's a little rabbit. It looks nice. It's a beautiful rabbit like you. Look at the Ayan playing with his animals. He had a little farm. Young Ayan had a farm. Oh. Let me do that one. I think that was duck, right? Oh, duck goes here. Wow. Oh, awesome. Awesome. What is that? It looks like a donkey, right? Wow, that's the donkey. Okay. What is this? Sheep here. Look at the little sheep. How sheep does? Ba ba ba. Hear the sheep. Wow.